name is Jen. Welcome to my channel, Embracing Chaos. Y'all see this out my window and on my face? The sun is shining so much. I have to wear my sunglasses. Terrible lighting in the car, but the rest of the world is lit up beautifully. Beautifully. I love it. All right, so I am on my way to work. Just wanted to hop on here and say good morning, show you guys the sunshine we have today, finally, and just kind of introduce the video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you most likely a quick what I eat in a day, maybe some day in a life type stuff, but I'm working pretty much all day, so I don't know. I might stop at the store after work, which means I might have a little haul for you, but who knows, who knows. Anyways, real quick before we get started, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content, encourages them to promote my videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, y'all just hit that little picture of me down in the corner and you'll be in. We'll be friends for life. And that's not a threat. That's a good thing for most people. But chaos is in the name of my channel, so y'all know what you're getting into. I mean, yeah. Fair warning, there is chaos on this channel.
We have a habit of leaving a wake of destruction wherever we go.
As far as eating goes, I do have some good stuff today. Probably be a lot of pictures and me chatting, though, because I am going to be in the clinic and not really in a situation where I can record much. If I'm able to record and talk to you when I eat, I will. But breakfast, lunch, and snacks, like I said, will most likely be pictures. Dinner, I'm going to have a chit chat with you about, because what we're having for dinner is actually going to be a video for a collab that I'm going to be in here this weekend. So yeah, that's exciting. Anyways, guys, I will let you go. I need to watch the road, sing some Tom Petty, and just enjoy the sunshine for my remaining 5-minute drive to work. I hope you guys have a great morning, and I will see you in a little bit. Bye.
I'm getting my morning started off right with a large cup of black coffee from Scooters with non-fat milk for 0 points. And then when I'm done drinking that, I'll get started on my water for the day. I will be drinking a lime-flavored Spindrift also for 0 points. Time for some breakfast. Here I have one of my new flavors of the Bear Bell protein bars from Trader Joe's. This is a hazelnut nougat or nugget flavor. Here's what the outside texture looks like, nice and crunchy, and then here's what the inside looks like. Sorry about the fuzziness of the image, but it's the best I could do. And I'm going to be adding a banana to this for 0 points. Next, I'm going to have some of these reduced fat cheese puffs from Trader Joe's. These were a new find for me, and they are so yummy. Definitely going to be one of my go-tos from now on. You can have 35 of these bad boys for just 4 points. I'm going to get started on my second glass of water for the day. I'm going to be adding some sugar-free Skittles water flavoring. This is the original punch flavor. Okay, time for some lunch. I am ready for a little break. I'm going to be having one of my chopped salad kits that I also got from Trader Joe's. This is the barbecue and black pepper Toscano chopped salad. This salad kit has green and red cabbage, carrots, broccoli stalks, and kale, cornbread croutons, black pepper, Toscano cheese, and barbecue sweet onion dressing. This is the bag of Toscano cheese. Then I have a bag of the cornbread croutons, and then this is the packet of the barbecue dressing. I'm going to divide this into 2 small plastic containers as seen here. Then to add some bulk to my chopped salad kit, I'm going to be adding a bag of the butter lettuce from Trader Joe's, a handful of matchstick carrots, and then I'm going to be adding 1 chopped up piece of baked boneless, skinless chicken breast that I've seasoned with salt and pepper. I'm going to dump everything into 1 big red bowl, mix it up really well, and then put it all into a Ziploc baggie, including the 2 containers of salad dressing. The serving size for this salad, according to the package, is 1 cup. However, since I've added the chicken, the carrots, and the butter lettuce, I'm going to have a much larger portion. and that entire portion is going to be 5 points. Getting started on my third cup of water for the day, I'm going to be adding another Skittles sugar-free flavoring to this, and this is the pineapple passion fruit flavor. For my last snack while I'm at work, I'm just going to add a packet of this A&W water flavoring to an Equate vanilla protein shake. This is going to taste exactly like a root beer float. It is so yummy and only 2 points.
Ding dong, it's me again. I'm on my way home. Sun's still shining, guys. How spoiled am I? I'll tell you what, I'm honestly not even used to leaving work when the sun is still up, so I will take it. And it is 52 degrees, guys. 52 degrees in northern Indiana. I will take it. I'm exhausted, just in case you haven't noticed. Like, I'm pretty much brain fried. But the nice thing about the shifts I pick up on the weekends is they're only 6 hours, so I get to go home and I'm gonna get dinner started. Steve helped me out, bless his heart. He made the pasta and then he cooked the bacon for me. So really the only thing I have to do for dinner is cut up a jalapeno, put it all together and cook it. So yeah. Oh, there's a dog. There's, uh-oh. Okay, hold on here. Hold on. Okay, sorry, that was weird. There was a dog in the middle of the street and it was jumping on 2 other people who were trying to walk their dogs. I don't know if it belonged to them or not, but I didn't know if I was going to witness a dog attack or a dog get hit by a car or what. Whew. Chaos follows me, you guys.
I thrive on chaos.
Guys, that's right. I leave work. I'm talking about going home relaxing, how easy dinner is going to be to make, and I almost witnessed a dog attack. That was scary. That poor guy. I feel bad for him. He was walking poodles, and like this big old bulldog looking thing came up, which nothing against bulldogs. I love them, love them, but that's a big dog, and to have to worry about attacking your poodles. All right, well, I am going to take a deep breath now. And I am going to hop off here and listen to some more Tom Petty. That's right. And I will see you.
New text message from Ava Wilson.
Ava's already texting me to see when I'm... Oh, there's the music. And I'm going to listen to Tom Petty. Bye, guys.
All right. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but I have decided that I'm not going to tell you guys about what I'm having for dinner because the collab video has already posted. I will link the video up in the corner, and if you guys want to know what this fantastic dinner is, you'll have to click on the link up in the corner and you will be able to find out. What I will tell you though is that it came to a total of 11 points.
All right, guys. What did you think of that bowl of pasta that I shared at the end of the video? I can't tell you too much about it. It's a surprise. Just know that it was fantastic. Fantastic. I loved it. The kids loved it. Steve loved it. I include him with my kids. Y'all know that. So anyways, overall, not a bad day of eating. I will leave my total points for the day because I've lost track right down here. Thank you guys so very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed your day as well. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I will get back with you as quickly as I can. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family and you feel like you can handle my chaos, all you have to do is click on that little picture down there and we will be instant YouTube family. And until next time, guys, keep smiling.